My name is Gisela and this is your channel Inglés para tu vida. Today I have a very interesting class. We are going to learn new expressions in casual English. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to Inglés para tu vida. It's absolutely free. And don't forget to share this video with all the people who want to learn English. Let's get started. There's one difference between the expressions that we use in textbooks, like what's your name, where are you from, how old are you, and real situations, for example, when we travel to Canada, Australia, the United States, England, etc., and we are in an English-speaking country. So today we're going to learn casual expressions, and let's start with the first one. We have, where are you from? Where are you from? It's a question when we want to know the origin of the friend, of the colleague, or the person that we are meeting. So we start with, where are you from? We can answer this question mentioning our country or our city. For example, where are you from? I'm from New Delhi. Where are you from? I'm from Thailand. Right? Excellent. The next question is, what's your name? And perhaps this is one of the first questions that you learned when you were studying English. So, there's a less direct question in this case, and is this one. You can introduce yourself. For example, hi, I'm Gisela, and you? So the other person can say, hi, I'm John. Hi, I'm Sandra, etc. Right? There's also a very embarrassing situation. Let's suppose that you are at a party or at the office and you have been introduced to somebody else, but you have forgotten the name of the person. So you can say, in this case, I'm sorry. What was your name again? Let's repeat. I'm sorry. What was your name again? Now, this phrase is very interesting because when you say I'm sorry, you are giving a short apology to the person. I'm sorry. But also, when you use was, what was your name again? This part, was, means that you remember that in the past you have met this person. The problem is that in this moment you can't recall her or his name. So you say, what was your name again? Also, again, is an important word because it means that it's a repetition. You've heard the name, but you can't recall it right now. All right? We have another question, and is this one about the telephone number. What's your telephone number? This question may sound a little bit direct, especially when we are asking this to a person from the opposite sex. Instead of saying that, you can say, can I get your number? Let's repeat, can I get your number? And when you say can, you are softening the question, all right? You are being more polite, perhaps. Can I get your phone number? But what happens if you find that this is too direct and you want to use another alternative, you want to be in touch with the person, so you can say, can I get your email address? Let's repeat, can I get your email address? Also, you can say, could I get your email address, right? And you can say, sure, my email address is inglesparatuvida@gmail.com, for example. But also, we can talk about social media, right? You can ask the person, are you on Facebook? Are you on Skype? And depending whether you are there or not, you can say, yes, I am, or no, I'm not. If you say, no, I'm not, you can open a possibility again, and you can say, for example, are you on Facebook? No, I'm not, but my telephone number is, or no, I'm not on Facebook, but my email address is. In that way, you can keep in touch with this person. Let's continue. You can also ask the question, how are you? Right? It's very formal, and the possible answers for this question are I'm fine, pretty good, not bad. Let's repeat. How are you? I'm fine, pretty good, not bad. Right? There's another alternative, more casual, and we have hi, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? Very good. And we can answer to this question with good, pretty good, not bad. Let's repeat. Good, pretty good, not bad. If you have the question how's it going that is casual, don't answer it with I'm fine. That's absolutely incorrect, right? What happens if you are not feeling really good? You can say, how's it going? Not so good, not great, not so well. Let's repeat. Not so good, not great, not so well. Remember that if you answer with these three last expressions, the other person can ask you why, and you will have to explain, right? There's also another question, casual one and very common, and is this one. What's up? Let's repeat. What's up? We can answer to this question with not much. What's up? Not much. What's up? Nothing much. Let's repeat. Nothing much. What does it mean? Nothing much. It means I'm free and able to chat. Right? Great. Let's continue. If someone asks you what's up, you can answer using what's up too, right? For example, what's up? What's up? You don't need to answer this question, right? In social situations, native speakers don't say normally, what's your job? Even though we learned that in our textbooks. So instead of that, they say, what do you do? What do you do is the shortened expression for what do you do for a living, right? So it's what do you do? You can answer with I'm a teacher, or I'm an architect, right? Don't forget to use an article before the occupation. I have a video over here that you can watch where you're going to learn to use a or an depending on the sound of the job. So you can say, what do you do? I'm a teacher. What do you do? I'm an architect, right? Also, you can answer with the name of the company that you work for. For example, I work for the New York Times. Let's repeat. I work for the New York Times. And here I'm using the preposition for. You can also say, I work at a law firm. I work at a law firm, right? Great. You have to make a positive comment when somebody tells you his or her job. If I ask, what's your job? And the person says, I'm an actress, I can say, wow, that's interesting, right? That's very polite. When we want to know about other people's hobbies, we normally don't ask, what's your hobby? We ask, what do you do for fun? Let's repeat. What do you do for fun? We can also say, what do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? How can you answer to this question? You can say, I like to, for example, watch TV. When we use to, the verb is in the infinitive form. If I say, I like watching TV, check that after like, I'm using the verb in the ing form. Great. To emphasize, I'm going to use the word really. For example, I really like watching TV. I really like watching TV. But if I want to play down, right, I'm going to say I kind of like playing golf. Let's repeat. I kind of like playing golf. Excellent. Thank you so much for your attention. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to Inglés para tu vida. This is a wonderful class and I'm sure that you are going to take advantage of it. Don't forget to practice, write a comment below and see you in our next class. Bye!